Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will try to complete a particular calculator operation. So what we will do is, we will click on 5 first and then plus 9 multiplied by 5 and we will verify the result as 50 here. Okay, so this is our test case. So we will build this test case in this session. For that, what we will do is, we will create another class here. Okay, so right click, new class, simple calculation. Okay, and enable main. Click on finish. Okay, so from locator strategies, let me copy the initial few lines and then paste it here. Okay, and then let me save this. Let me add throws. So our test case is 5 plus 5, sorry, 9, 5 plus 9 multiplied by 5, and we will verify whether the result is 50. Okay, so what we will do is, so we have this, and let me take a snapshot of this. Okay, so now we have the snapshot here. Okay, so let us use ID to click on 5. So let me go back to locator strategy, since we have already written the code for that. Let me use this, and we need to click on 5 here. So digit will be 5. For plus symbol, what we will do is, we will make use of accessibility ID. So let us see what is the accessibility ID for plus. So the accessibility ID is plus here. Okay, so let me add it here. Okay, and then the next thing is, we need to click on 9. I'm going to make use of XPath. Okay, copy this, and this is the button. Go back and check 9, and 9 is a button and the text is 9. Okay, instead of delete, so it will be 9. Okay, so now we have clicked on 5 plus 9 and multiply. So for multiply, what I will do is, I will make use of Android UI Automator. Okay, so Android UI Automator, and the text is star. Okay, so let me use ID again for 5. And the next thing is we need to verify the result as 50. For that we need to get the text out of this element. So this element is a text view. Okay, so let me take the resource ID here. Whenever you use the locator strategy, you need to find out the one which is unique across all the elements. So this is the resource ID. So we have used resource ID using UI Automator. Okay, so let me add this. Okay, so this is the resource ID now. Okay, so instead of click, we need to get the text out of get text. So there is a method called get text which will get the text from this element. Okay, so Android element result text is equal to okay, get text will get you a string. It's not an Android element, so it will be a string. So we are comparing the result text with 50. So if it is true, then the result matched, else so we'll add a fail here and result didn't match, and we will add a pass here. Okay, so we have all the steps here. Let me run this. Okay, simple calculation Java, right click, run as Java application. Okay, it has clicked on 5 but failed to click on plus. Okay, so let us see why. An element could not be located on the page using the given search parameters. Okay. For that we have used accessibility ID. So if you look at the UI Automator viewer, so let me click on plus here. And we have used the location strategy as accessibility ID. So the accessibility ID is plus here, not this plus. Text is plus, but the accessibility ID is plus here. So instead of plus, we should use plus here. Okay, so let me save this and let me rerun. Okay, so this is how debug it. So this is one way of debugging it. So now it has, okay, so 5 plus 9. The next error which we got is, now it says an element could not be located. So it couldn't find this particular element. So we put in X here. So let us go back and see the UI Automator viewer. So if you click on multiplication here, so what I will do is, if I click on X here or multiplication here, what I will do is I will straight away copy the value from here and then add it here. Okay, so instead of putting x here, I will add the exact value from there. Okay, and save it, and let us rerun this. Okay, run as Java application. Okay, so now it has clicked on multiplication and it has clicked on 5 and we got the result as 50. However, our result says it's a fail. Our result didn't match. That is because the result text whatever we get is an object, so we cannot compare directly using double equals. Since it is an object, so we need to use equals method and compare it with the value 50. Okay, so let us rerun this after changing from double equals to the equals method, since this is the result text is an object of string. Okay, so let us right click and then run as Java application. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so now we got the result as pass and the result matched. So far in this program we encountered three issues. One was with accessibility ID. So instead of giving the string plus, we had given the symbol plus here as the value. Okay, so that was the first issue. And the second issue was here I had given small x. So what I had done was I went back to the UI Automator viewer and copied the value from here and pasted it here. So that was the second issue resolved. And the third issue was, since getText returns an object of a string, so we cannot use equals to equate this. Okay, so instead we have to use the method equals. Okay, so we changed it from double equals to dot equals method. Whenever we get any error, we shouldn't panic, and instead we should go back to a log file and the Appium log and find out where the issue is and try to overcome it. That is the reason I had kept purposely few errors here. That is our first simple test case completed. Thanks for watching. Please stand by for the next video.